These sentences provide practical examples of how need to can be used for expressing necessity and obligation in everyday life. 1. I need to finish my homework before dinner. 2. You need to take your medicine on time. 3. She needs to call her parents today. 4. We need to leave early to catch the train. 5. They need to clean their room before playing. 6. He needs to practice more for the competition. 7. I need to buy groceries for the week. 8. You need to prepare for the meeting tomorrow. 9. She needs to complete her project by Friday. 10. We need to plan our vacation soon. 11. They need to submit their forms by next week. 12. I need to drink more water every day. 13. You need to focus on your studies. 14. He needs to replace the broken light bulb. 15. She needs to get some rest after work. 16. We need to save money for the trip. 17. They need to arrive on time for the appointment. 18. I need to charge my phone. 19. You need to wash your hands before eating. 20. She needs to attend the conference this afternoon. 21. We need to book tickets for the concert. 22. He needs to pick up the kids from school. 23. They need to organize their documents. 24. I need to check my email regularly. 25. You need to follow the instructions carefully. 26. She needs to visit the doctor soon. 27. We need to fix the leaking faucet. 28. They need to make a decision quickly. 29. I need to learn more about this topic. 30. You need to apologize for your mistake. 31. He needs to clean the car this weekend. 32. She needs to study for her upcoming exam. 33. We need to talk about the new project. 34. They need to decorate the room for the party. 35. I need to update my resume. 36. You need to exercise regularly to stay healthy. 37. He needs to prepare his speech for the event. 38. She needs to cook dinner for her family. 39. We need to register for the workshop. 40. They need to repair the broken fence. 41. I need to take a break and relax. 42. You need to remind me about the meeting. 43. She needs to wake up early tomorrow. 44. We need to write a report by the deadline. 45. They need to pack their bags for the trip. 46. I need to find my keys before leaving. 47. You need to call customer service for assistance. 48. He needs to wear formal attire for the event. 49. She needs to visit the library to borrow books. 50. We need to arrange transportation for the guests.